Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to deposit paper money on your Cash App. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Cash App. So once you have opened your Cash App, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now all you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon on the top right hand side of the corner. Once you do this, you will be redirected to this kind of interface, which will now allow you to tap on the support option on the bottom of the screen. Simply tap on it, and then you need to now simply tap on Cash Card or any of the options and search for a chatbot, which will now answer all your queries about how you can deposit your paper money or Cash App. Or you can even simply tap on the banking tab on your Cash App home screen, select the paper money option, find a location near you, or use the search bar to enter an address manually to deposit a paper money on Cash App. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.